What you're going to do today is a review of the Pythagorean theorem. I have to be out. I'll probably be back on Friday. So remember that the formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Where this is a is one of the legs, b is the other leg, and c is a hypotenuse. So I'm going to give you some examples, and then I'm going to let you work on it on your own, okay? Calculate the length of the missing side. So we have a squared plus 8 squared equals 17 squared. So what you're going to have to do with 17 squared and 8 squared, you're going to have to subtract 17 squared minus 8 squared. You get 225, so you have 8 squared equals 225. Remember that you have to get the square root. And I think the square root of 225 is 15. B, we have another right triangle, so we have 4 squared plus b squared equals 10 squared. Once again, to find b, you have to subtract 10 squared and 4 squared. So you have b squared equals 84. You're going to get the square root of 84, and I think it's just going to be is that a perfect square? So round it off to the nearest tenth. So it's 9.2. What is the length of the diagonal of a computer screen that measures 28 by 21? So we have 28 inches or centimeters and 21 centimeters. And we know the diagonal is a hypotenuse. So it's 28 squared plus 21 squared is equal to the diagonal squared. So let's go to our calculator here. 28 squared plus 21 squared. 28 squared plus 21 squared. Okay, so that gives you 1,225 equals d squared. What you're going to do next is you're going to get the square root. 1,225, and it's 35. So the length of the diagonal is 35 centimeters. Okay, the next example. A baseball diamond is a square with sides of 27 meters. How far does the second base player have to throw the ball to the runner at home plate? Okay, so here is your diamond, and we know that this is 27. This is 27, and you want to find the distance from here to here. We know that's a right triangle. 27 squared plus 27 squared equals the diagonal squared. So you have 27 squared plus 27 squared. Enter. 1,458 d squared. Get the square root. (1,458). And it says round up to the nearest hundredth. So it's 38.18 meters. Okay, what I want you to do, since I'm not there, I want you to do the rest of the problems on your own. Read the word problem. These are all going to be right triangles. And I do provide the answers at the end of the homework. So make sure you do this in class and then submit it to your teacher, your substitute. Thank you.